close without the associated risks. This hands-on approach fostered a deeper understanding of the complex chemical processes, as employees could witness them in action, manipulate them, and see the consequences of their actions in real time. The impact of these technological interventions was profound. The company reported improved understanding among employees as complex concepts were broken down into digestible, engaging experiences. Retention of information improved dramatically as employees could recall and apply what they had learned more effectively. Perhaps most importantly, the training became safer. The virtual environment allowed employees to make mistakes and learn from them without any real-world consequences. This case study isn't just an isolated example, but a glimpse into the future of chemical training. By embracing AI and AR, we can create interactive and immersive learning experiences that not only educate but also engage and inspire. The future of chemical training lies in harnessing these technologies to create a safer, more effective learning environment. So where do AI and AR take us from here in the realm of chemical training? In our journey so far, we've seen how these technologies intersect to redefine chemical training. Their potential is vast and transformative. Imagine a future where every learner receives personalized instructions tailored to their unique learning style. Imagine mastering complex chemical reactions through interactive experiences that feel as real as the laboratory, but without the associated risks. Safety, efficiency, and innovation become the cornerstones of chemical training. Students no longer memorize, but understand, explore, and create. This is the future where AI and AR make possible. But this is just the beginning. The advancements in AI and AR are relentless. The horizon is full of potential innovations that could further revolutionize chemical training. New algorithms, more immersive experiences, and deeper personalization are all on the cards. The future of chemical training is here, and it's powered by AI and AR. Welcome to a new era of learning that's interactive, immersive, and incredible.